Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Temu. Let's get started. So once you reach Temu, you're going to log into your Temu account, and then you're going to look for the product that you're trying to buy. So I'm going to click on here. Now I'm going to scroll down a bit, and I'm going to select this gaming chair, for example. One set of plush jacquard gaming chair cover home office chair, slip covers for living room office home cover. So 2024 U wireless earphones, headphones with LED display touch, and ear TWS wireless earbuds, sports music game headset for iOS and Android. So I'm going to click on add to cart here. So then I'm going to add in something else. Let's say this. Add to cart. So here you just need to add in your country, region, your first name, last name, your phone number, your street address, complex, suburb, city, state, province, and postal code, national ID number or passport. And then under here, where on the right side, it says here, Temu protects your card information. And Temu follows the payment card industry data security standard. So here are the different options you can choose to pay. So Visa, ID check, Save Key, Protect, Buy, and then Trusted Site. And then you're going to see an option here which says Klarna. It's going to be like in a pink color, so Klarna. So once you're done adding in your information here, you're going to go to Continue to Payment, and then you're going to select your Klarna account, and there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.